Hi everyone, Bunte again, back with another message. God said the coven is very delusional in nature. They don't want others to see our authentic selves. The chosen ones, the earth angels, yeah. Like the caring we have, the loving spirits we have, the patience we have, the ambition we have, and so on, etc., etc. They know if people see us for who we really are, it destroys the control they never had. That's called being delusion. The whole coven. The whole coven is very delusional in nature. It's always their actions that speaks volumes, though, especially when we were around these narcissists. They have or feel a lack of accountabilities of their actions. But God say blocked, and they attack those who are not awakening to what spirituality is or spirit work really is. See, narcissism is an epidemic, is a pandemic, all in one. That's why discernment is needed in this lifetime. We are protected and guarded by the Most High God and our spiritual team. There's no weapons formed against us that shall ever prosper. See, always protect yourself, your mind, and use discernment. It allows us to lead. Because we do. That's why the coven lost faith. Because we are undefeated. Judgment.